Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jane. I talk about how to style classic and colorful outfits with simple and classic items. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Today, I would like to show you the Chanel 21K collection card holder with jewel hook. This is one of the most popular items of the 21K collection, and I would like to show you how they look like as well as how I style them with my all white outfit. Let's get started. First, I have the pink one. I love the gold hardware. The pink is so pop. There's one big card slot inside, slab closure. The quilted lambskin is so beautiful. Then for the black one, I love the contrast between the gold and the black. It's absolutely stunning. The closure is also very easy to close and very secure. The hook is actually resembling the Coco Crush jewelry line. And there's a big Chanel logo printed on it. Yes. Now let's see what fits inside. Here I have 15 regular size name cards. Then I have my bank cards as well as my stuff card. So there are 20 cards inside. Also, I folded my cash notes 2 times and they fit nicely in there. It's very easy to close. You feel very secure and you don't feel overstuffed at all. I'm sure that you can put more in there. Oh, I love the hook, isn't it? And here's a quick comparison between the lambskin card holder on the left and carvy on the right. Then I'm going to show you how I styled them with my all-white outfit. I love the contrast between the white and the pink. It looks so feminine and cute. It's so easy to grab and go. I can just use this card holder and go downstairs to grab coffee whenever I'm at my office or whenever I want to go down to the park from my home. It's so easy and simple. I love the black as well. I love the contrast between the gold and the black. It's kind of edgy and cool, isn't it? I hope you love the card holders as much as I do. I really love them because, first of all, they are very versatile. Whenever I need to run errands, whenever I need to go to grocery shopping, or when I'm at the office, I need to go downstairs to get a coffee, I can just hook the card holder in my jeans or just grab them and go downstairs without carrying my handbags. It's so convenient. Second, I find that they have very good value for money because, as you know, a tiny little handbags of Chanel nowadays will cost more than $2,000 US. But this jewel hook card holder costs a bit more than $1,000 US. But then you really get the best of the both worlds. You get a jewelry piece because the hook really looks like the Coco Crush jewelry line of Chanel. Then you also get a small leather good at the same time. It's like a walking jewelry. Thirdly, I also find the card holder very fun and edgy. The golden hardware is so pop, it's so luxurious. So I highly recommend you to get them. And I also think that the card holder with jewel hook kind of style is going to be very big because we really don't need to carry a lot of stuff nowadays that we're working from home. So I really think that this will be a big deal in the future. If you haven't got them into your hands yet, please do so. And if you like my video today, please don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends and give me a thumbs up. See you guys next time. Bye.